So this is Apple's Lightning to headphone jack, and I have purchased it because I am using iPhone 7, and as you know that there is no headphone jack in iPhone 7, so I have purchased it. Basically I am going to use it to connect my headphone, and also I am going to use it to connect my mic. Let's unbox it, and also I'm going to share some tips by which you can identify original Apple's Lightning to headphone jack. Let's start this video, but before that, hi friends, you're watching All About Tech, and without wasting your time, let's start. First of all, if you're getting any noise, then please ignore it. Now let's unbox it, but before that, let's talk about the price. I have purchased it for rupees 899, and MRP price is almost rupees 900. So yeah, almost it is same. Now let's open this box. First of all, you will get these manuals. Here is the information about this jack. I will keep it aside. And this is the jack. I hope you are able to see it because there is some problem. This phone is not focusing properly. Yeah, this is the jack. Now quickly I'm going to connect it with my iPad 7. Here is the iPad. Yeah, it's connected. And this is the headphone. Yeah, it's connected. Now let's talk about the tips to check that if this jack is genuine or not. Means if you're going to purchase this jack, then how you can check that if it is genuine or not. I'm going to tell you now. Now first thing that you should check is the lightning cable. See the coating. If you're getting this kind of coating, then it's really good. That means you have purchased genuine jack. But if you're not getting this kind of coating, that means you have purchased fake jack or duplicate jack. Next thing that you should consider is the year it is written that designed by Apple in California, and here it is written assembled in Vietnam. I know that it is not visible to you, but yes, here it is written that designed by Apple in California and assembled in Vietnam. So next thing that you should check is the box. Okay, this is the box. If you will purchase original jack, then you will get this kind of box, and basically you should check the font. If all the information is written in bold text, then there are chances that you have purchased fake jack or duplicate jack. Otherwise, no problem. I will suggest you to purchase this jack from authorized Apple reseller or from Apple store. If you will purchase it from local store or from any other store, then there are chances that you will get fake jack. So purchase it from authorized Apple reseller or Apple store. So by just looking at this box, you cannot completely judge that which is the fake jack and which is the original jack. But generally, if you're getting box with the fake jack, then all this information will be in bold text. If all this information is in bold text, then it might be a fake one. But next thing which I'm going to mention is really useful. This is the size of the original jack, but if you will purchase fake jack, then you will not get this size. Okay, it might be very long. So next thing is the model number. This is the model number of the original jack. You can take a screenshot. Yeah, that's it. These were some things to consider while buying lightning to headphone jack. Don't save 300 or 400 rupees and don't purchase duplicate jack. If you are going to purchase it, purchase genuine jack. Don't purchase any first copy or duplicate jack, because sometimes it gets connected, sometimes it doesn't get connected, and also it will not last long. I have connected this jack with my iPad, and as you can see, there is no message, means this iPad is not showing any message that this accessory is not supported. That means it is genuine and it's not fake. You should consider this thing, that if you will purchase any duplicate jack, then immediately you will get a message that this accessory is not supported. Okay, please consider this. And that's it. I hope you guys have liked this video. Please hit the like button and comment and tell me that how was this video, and subscribe to All About Tech. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.